Welcome back to Edulogo's Mind. If you like the video, then put the like button and subscribe Edulogo's Mind. In this video we are going to explain about the other continents. You can see North America and South America. This is connected by the small narrow strip that is called Isthmus of Panama. The small narrow strip that is called Isthmus of Panama. So the position of North America: north it is Arctic Ocean, east Atlantic Ocean, and west North Pacific Ocean, and south it is South America. This is the America's political map. You can see America's political map, that is Canada. North America's political map, that is Canada. That is United States of America, and that is Mexico. There are three countries in North America. And you know, the Statue of Liberty was gifted to the USA by France. On climbing the 171 steps inside its head, one gets a grand view of New York City. इसके अंदर 171 steps है, सीढ़ी है, और इसके head से the full New York City looking like awesome, and that is gifted by France. France is established in Europe, not in America. So now next go for the physical map of North America. You can see that is the Rocky Mountain. The Rocky Mountain that is the Rocky Mountain, R-O-C-K-Y, that is the Rocky Mountain over here, and that is the Great Lakes. That is the Great Lakes, Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake, all these lakes become this, all five lakes make this Great Lakes, which is a group of 5 freshwater lakes. This is freshwater, means drinking water. This is from the North America to South America. You can see that is narrow strip that is called Isthmus of Panama. This narrow strip only joining these two America, that is called Isthmus of Panama. That is the political map of South America. Can you see? Venezuela, Colombia, Guyana, Suriname. That is Brazil. You have listened about Brazil for football. That is Bolivia, Paraguay. That is Argentina. You can see Argentina. You have listened this name when it is cricket match going on about Argentina. So now we will move to the physical map of South America. Here there are mountain range called Andes mountain range. You can see Andes mountain range. That is the Andes mountain range. Lies in the western part of South America. Part of South America. The famous Amazon forest also located here. In the north, from these mountains, the famous Amazon River starts and falls in Atlantic Ocean. Can you see? The famous Amazon River starts and falls in Atlantic Ocean. And in this area, the Amazon forest, rainforest located here. You can see the greeneries. Yes, from Amazon forest it is told the maximum oxygen for the world, huge number of oxygen coming from this Amazon forest for the people of the world. It's a dense forest. Now we will go for Antarctica. On the screen you can see the physical map of Antarctica, and that is the South Pole. So Antarctica is the coldest and fifth largest continent. It is very cold, that's why you can see that is the white color, because a thick layer of ice whole year covered this continent, and only in the summer there's few ice floating on the Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Okay, so that's why it is called white continent. Another name of Antarctica, it is white continent. Now you are seeing this, this is in a flat map. So I am showing Antarctica in a spherical shape. See, this is a ball, this is a globe, and that is North Pole, and here it is Africa, North Pole, and here it is South Pole. And just downside, that is South Pole. And just compare this picture with this picture. This is the white continent, and this blue dot, that is the North Pole. This picture given on the book, on the map book, as a flat portion, but you can see the shape of the Antarctica. This is the Antarctica, and that is the North Pole, South Pole, sorry, South Pole, that is South Pole. So this is Antarctica, and you know that is the frigid zone, very low temperature, sun rays not coming in this portion. Only 6 month day, 6 month night happens in this portion. So whole year the thick ice sheets covered in this area. That's why there is no vegetation, no soil. People, very less people habitat, no permanent habitation, but still some people are living. Maximum that is research stations are there in Antarctica. All the research station, all the countries research station established here. From India also there are Dakshin Gangotri research station, Maitri and Bharti research station established in Antarctica. Now we will talk about Australia, the smallest continent of Australia. This is the Australian physical map. You can see that here it is Indian Ocean, north it is Australian Sea, and that is this side it is Pacific Ocean, east it is Pacific Ocean. You can see in the world map the Australia's position. East it is Pacific Ocean, west it is Indian Ocean, north some island of Asia, and south it is Southern Ocean. That is the Australia's position. Now let's go to Australia's physical map. This is the Australian physical map. It is an island and is surrounded by water on all sides. Australia is the smallest continent and also a single country, and it is also an island. All the sides surrounded oceans or water. It is famous for its Great Australian Desert. That is Great Australian Desert. That is Great Australian Desert. And the Great Barrier Reef. You can see the Great Barrier Reef. The main corals, the Great Barrier Reef, largest coral reef on the earth. Under the seawater, there corals are there. Coral means coral reef, that is the hard natural structure under the sea that is formed from coral. Kangaroo is the red kangaroo is a native of Australia. It is male kangaroo can jump up to huge distance at one time. And you have seen maybe the female kangaroo also in the TV or someday. The babies of kangaroo are held by the pouch in front, in front of their stomach, one pouch there, and the female kangaroo hold that into the pouch like this. That is very special in kangaroo. Almost we have finished all the continents explanation, right? So now we will talk about some new words like Gulf. What is Gulf? See, here is Gulf of Oman, the Gulf, here in India also, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Kutch, the Gulf of Oman. What is Gulf? A large area of sea that is partially surrounded by land. See, that sea gone into the land, surrounded by land. The sea gone here and the sea is surrounded by the land. This area also, the sea go into this portion and this area surrounded by the land. That is called Gulf area. Here in the physical North America also, you can say Gulf of Alaska. Everywhere in the world you will get this. Gulf of Mexico, all sides land, surrounded everywhere land, that is Gulf of Mexico. You can see surrounded land area, that is Gulf of Mexico, that is in North America. Okay, I hope you understand what is Gulf. Now we will go for what is bay. That is Bay of Bengal. Bay, a part of the sea of a large lake, partially surrounded by a wide curve of land. That is also similarly nearby Bay of Bengal, you can see, surrounded by a curved land. Surrounded by a curved land. You can see in the North America also Hudson Bay, surrounded by a curved land, that is bay. So here we are concluding this video. If you like the video, like it and subscribe it. Next video we will discuss about the oceans.